personal story on the journey how you discovered this coffee skincare hack and how it transformed your routine. Relatable stories create a personal connection with viewers. Caffeine as a skin booster. How caffeine improves blood circulation, helping to reduce puffiness and creating an instant glow effect on the skin. Antioxidant power. How coffee is packed with antioxidants that protect skin from environmental stressors, slowing down the aging process. DIY coffee serum recipe. A simple, on-the-go recipe for a coffee-based serum that can be applied anytime for a quick skin pick-me-up. Gentle exfoliation. How ground coffee's texture acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells to reveal brighter skin underneath. Instant morning wake-up for skin. How applying coffee to the skin in the morning helps wake up tired skin, much like drinking coffee wakes up your mind. Under-eye brightener. A coffee under-eye treatment to instantly reduce dark circles and puffiness. Perfect for busy mornings or post-sleepless nights. Soothing redness. How coffee's anti-inflammatory properties help calm redness and irritation, making it ideal for sensitive skin types. UV protection boost. Coffee's antioxidants can act as a natural boost to protect skin from UV rays, adding an extra layer of defense though not a replacement for sunscreen. Brewed coffee face mist. How to make a coffee face mist to keep in a small spray ball, giving an instant glow anytime throughout the day. Pre-makeup coffee primer. How coffee can work as a primer, smoothing and brightening skin, so makeup goes on more flawlessly and stays longer. Mood booster with skin benefits. How the scent of coffee is known to enhance mood, so applying it also doubles as a quick mental refresher. Affordable alternative. How using coffee is a budget-friendly alternative to expensive anti-aging and skin brightening treatments. Skin brightening mask in minutes. A 2-ingredient coffee mask recipe that takes only minutes to prepare and apply. Perfect for people on the go. Tips for all skin types. Provide variations for dry, oily, and sensitive skin types, showing how to adapt coffee skincare to individual needs. Mix with coconut oil for a hydrating boost. Show how combining coffee with a bit of coconut oil can create a hydrating mask that locks in moisture. Lymphatic drainage with coffee scrub. How gently massaging a coffee scrub helps stimulate lymphatic drainage, reducing facial swelling and improving glow. Sustainable beauty hack. Viewers to use leftover coffee grounds for skincare, emphasizing this as a zero-waste beauty tip. Coffee ice cubes for instant cooling. How to make coffee-infused ice cubes to quickly reduce puffiness and cool the skin, adding a firming effect. Easy travel-friendly option. How to keep a small container of coffee grounds or pre-made coffee serum in a travel bag for a quick refresh on the go. Thanks folks, don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful and don't forget to subscribe for more.